So children, let's revise cursive. First we will revise the phonic sound for each letter and then we will write cursive. Okay? So let's revise. A says A. Everybody say with me. A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E. F says G says G. H says H. I says E. J says J. K says K. L says L. M says N says O says O. P says P. And Q says Q. So today we are going to write P and Q. Okay, so let's revise. P says P, pencil. Okay, P says P. We will not say pencil. We will say pencil. Q says Qu, quilt. Okay, children. So let's write. In last class we have written N and O. So today we are going to write P and Q. It's very easy. Just look at the board and learn how to write P and Q. Okay, children? So P, we will start from the pink line. We will come down in a straight line. Now a little curve and go up and turn and make a P. Okay? One more time. Start with pink line, straight line, a curve, go up in the same line and turn. It's P. P says P, pencil, pen. It's not pencil and pen. It's pencil. Okay, let's write one more time. Straight line, go curve, and this is P. Okay, see. Come down, touch the blue line, go up, curve, and then turn. This should not be like big. This should not be done. This is wrong. Okay, so very small gap. Okay, this is P. Now we will write Q. Q says qua, quilt. Okay, quarrel. So Q says qua. Let's write Q. We will start from the pink line. See, we will start like this. A circle, but we will not complete the circle. Like this. See. And then go back. Come here, turn it, and this. Okay, one more time. Make a C and then make a circle. Come down and this is. Okay, this is not so good. It's like this. Okay, one more time. It's not exactly circle, it's oval. Okay. So don't make it like this. This is wrong. Okay. We will start like this. Go up. Come back and turn. This is O and this is P. This should not done. This is wrong. Okay, so this is your cursive. You have to write P and Q. Now I am giving you some 5 only, 5 before and afters for practice. Do it in your copy and do send me the pictures. Okay. So here I am writing TO2, TO2 and TO2. Okay, children. So this is TO2, TO2, TO2. Now what you have to do is underline it and underline here. Put numbers. So here we will write 14. This you have already done. Okay, now number 2. Can you see this? Can you see this? Okay, now underline this. Here we will write 16 and underline. Okay, children? Now number 3, underline. Here we can write 32 and underline. Okay children. Now number 4, underline, and what number we can take? We can take 26 and underline. Okay, now I am giving you 4 because you will not be able to see at the last. So I am giving you only 4 numbers. Do practice this. Do practice cursive. Do send me your videos and photos of your writing work. Okay, till then take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.